Hi, it's Miss Kolbach here, and I brought some pictures today to see if you can tell me what the letter is by the picture and the sound. So I'll show you the picture first, and you tell the letter. Are you ready? The first one you see there, that's a zipper. Zip. Zzz. What letter says zzz? Did you say Z? That's right. Here's one for you. Boop. If you guess it, you count and see how many you can get right, okay? This is a key. Key. What letter says k? Letter K. That's right. Letter K says k. C and K share the sound, but K gets the letters I, the vowels I and E. C gets the other three. Question. That's a question mark. When you're reading in a story and you see a question mark, find out what's happening. Question. Qua, qua. What letter says qua, qua? Q. Q says qua, qua, qua. What letter for this one? This is a house. House. H. Did you get it right? Here's a lion. Ooh. What letter says ooh? Did you say L? If you did, you're right. Here's a girl. She's holding a pencil in her hand, but this is a girl. Say girl. That's a big pencil, isn't it? You can't write with a big pencil like that. Say girl. Girl. What letter is that? What letter do you hear? G. That's right. G for girl. That's the beginning sound. The beginning sound is the first sound that comes off of your lips. This is an igloo. Igloo. Ah, there's a vowel. I is a vowel. For the letter I. Here's a jar of jam. Jam. There's some great jam. J. You got it. That's great. Here is an apple. Ah, 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 ah. Apple. What letter says ah, ah? Did you say A? Ah, ah. That's our vowel A. This is a nest. Can you make the N sound? Oh, I told you what it was. N. You probably got it anyway. Here is a cute little monkey. Lips together for M. M for monkey. Here is a pencil. What letter is that? Did you say P? There you go. That's P. Here is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Yay, that's the letter R. R. Octopus. Ah, 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 ah. There's one of our vowels. Yes, that's the letter O. Ah, ah, ah. Fox. Fox. Beginning sound. We're doing the beginning sound for these. Oh, whoops. I messed up. I'll cut that out. Here's another one. Fox. This one we're going to do the ending sound. Fox. Like box and fox. That's the X. X says X. For umbrella. Oh, there's our other vowel, another vowel. U says Here's a tree. What letter says t? Yay! That's the letter T. Watermelon. W. You got it. Oh, here's a Valentine. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. Say woo. It tickles for that one. What letter is that? V. Awesome. Here is a little snowflake. There's 3 of them. Snow. What sound do you hear? What letter makes that? S. That's right. Here's a yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's the letter Y. Y is yeah, like yellow yarn and yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here's a little fish. F says like a feather floating down. Here's a bird. B, bird. What letter says B? B. Right, that's the letter B. Here's capital B and little b. Little b has the stick first. Remember that, okay? This is an elephant. Elephant. Eh, eh, eh. It's a vowel, you're right. E. And then we have a cute little dog. D, 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 d. D. You got it. One more letter. That's the letter D. The circle comes first on the little one here. And our last card, we have a cat. C. Those are the letters in the alphabet. Can you say the letters of the alphabet without singing it? Try it and see if you can get it. I bet you can. With a little bit of practice, you can work hard and get it. Thanks for coming today, and I'll see you next time. Keep working on those letters and sounds. Maybe we can do an ending sound. We have beginning, middle. We could do some ending sound words. Just listening for the letters so you can tell the sound. Bye for now. Thanks for coming in. See you soon.